exciting development today. Shortly after I redid the posting on Facebook Marketplace, a gentleman got in touch with me, and he runs a landscaping and tree care business in kind of central Alberta area, like about an hour and a half south of here, maybe 2 hours. And he was really interested in the TECOmaster, and so it's as good as gone. But as you may know, I did tell him about this. I promised to fix this up, so we're not quite sure how we're going to connect and actually get it in his hands. We'll figure that out. With gas prices being the way they are, I'm a little bit hesitant to drive down there unless I'm already going that way, which could happen this year, but we'll see. Otherwise, you know, once his landscaping business quiets down a bit, then maybe he can make his way up here. Either way, sounds like a gross cat. Sounds like a pretty cool guy. He likes to collect old lawn equipment, kind of like I do. So I think we'll get along just fine. I better get this fixed up though. The big decision I'm forced to make here though is, do I pull this right out and deal with the spring, or do I try and fix it in place? I think I'm going to try and fix it in place first, but I'm just going to wind this up. Wind a whole bunch of times. Lock it into place. And then, yeah, something like that. Well, nothing ventured, nothing gained. One turn. Two turns. Three turns. Four. Not sure how many turns this is going to take up. That's 5. Ow! Knew that was coming. Okay, that's kind of staying put for now. Ha! I hope I pulled enough turns off of this. Or I will be sad. Okay. I guess moment of truth now. Yeah, that feels pretty good. Gotta push the retaining tabs back down. There we go. Okay. Haha. Nice. All right, there we go. Get that squished back in there properly. It was. There we go. What?